All right, folks. Time to get the 461 RTR ready to rip. You don't look like much, but she's spicy. Oh, that might be perfect. That looks good to me. Might run a file across it when we get to the job site, but can't beat it with a stick. You broke my hat. Look at the drone. Hey guys, I had to run off the job site. I can get a better grip on this. I had to run off the job site, gotta go do some meetings, look at some big historic oaks that gotta come down. There's one, the stump is touching 2 mobile homes. That's how wide this stump is, how big it is. It's gotta be 15 foot at the base of this tree, and it has like roughly a 45, maybe a 50 degree lean on the trunk. Like it's pretty aggressive. And they're just scared that it's gonna fall. And I was like, well, you know, if it does, goodbye to the next 4 trailers, mobile homes, because this girl is big. And there is some issues with the rest of the tree. Maybe I'll show you that, I don't know. Might have to just be real quick about it. Some people don't like filming on their property, but the guys are over there doing the land clearing, chipping that stuff up. That Woodsman 18, I don't know what it's an 18-inch chipper. 18-inch chipper. It eats 18s, so it might be bigger, but I think it's like a 22, maybe. I can't remember. But let's just call it the Woodsman 18. Is just out there processing that mulch, that tree debris into mulch. Super nice. We got some, they probably got a couple hours worth of grinding, chipping all that stuff up. I would like to see them separate some of that timber out of there and just load that into the grapple truck whole, just to speed up the process. But the Woodsman's new. We just picked it up last week, so the guys are still having fun with it. So the tree guys are in the front. You saw that, taking down some trees over septic. The other one's coming down over the other side of the house. Client just got a brand new roof, so they don't want tree damage to continue to happen or tree debris falling on the roof. So yeah, cows are behaving, thankfully. They're not trying to escape, which is very nice when you don't have to chase cows all day, especially in boots in 92 degree heat. But yeah, got some meetings to go to, and then we'll probably be back at the job site, hopefully with a big difference in what is done out there. So yeah, see you soon. Well, back on the job site, we got to kick it up a notch, get some more production done. Took the chipper away, just gonna grapple truck the rest of it out. Greg's over here beating out a palm stump. We got some pines to take down. There's like 8 of them or so, and gonna do some cleanup work, get all this tightened up and hauled away. So yeah, let's get that on a time lapse. All right, let's see that 450 suspension. Not that bad. We're just going up front. On today's episode of Will It Kill You, we have is that a coral snake? Where'd you at, buddy? Where you at? There he is. Or, man, I can't remember the other name of him. A king snake. I think it's a king snake. Corn snake? I don't know. Non-venomous. Black is touching red. Something about Jack Black. And he's okay. I don't know. But homeboy better get out of here before he gets ran over. Yeah, buddy. You better skedaddle. Yeah. 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 Anyways, 299's kind of breaking up the top stuff. The bigger debris. We got a pile of logs here. All those are stump cut. We still got to take down those two. That double leader one is annoying just because of where it is. The guy who owns that building is a U.S. senator, so really don't want to mess that up too bad. But yeah, we got some loads to haul out of here. Lollipop over there, they like the excavator. They wanted to play with it. We do fencing, folks. We're really good at taking it down. We're not really good at putting it up, so. Woo! She mean. That's it, we're switching to all electric and climbing switches.
All electric and climbing switches.
Top handle.
So when I call Heather,
it goes beep 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 beep.
So when I call Heather,
hey, my rope.
So when I call Heather and go, hey, by the way, couldn't finish the job today because my fucking battery died.
You know, Nick, can we kill it with the negativity, please? Negativity is a choice.
We should so go to battery power.
Save the planet.
Yeah, save.
Southern turf is green for a reason.
Yeah, that's why we take all the trees down.
Well, those ones aren't producing enough oxygen.
Yeah.
They're negatively affecting the carbon dioxide oxygen ratio.
Oh.